Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my winter wellness routine. Typically, this is my routine for the weekend. I do the same things on a weekday, but I'm just, maybe not making pancakes. So today I wanted to do a video all about how I make myself feel good and healthy, and just what I do during the winter to stop the sad from creeping in and make myself be productive and feel great and look great and the rest of it. So obviously I've started off with a coffee. I got some beautiful coffee beans from Harrods, and by beautiful I mean the packaging was beautiful. The coffee beans, however, they're really just fine. Like there's nothing special about it. And for breakfast, I'm going to make pancakes. This is my favorite pancake mix. It's from Marks and Spencer, and it's really easy to do. I mean, obviously I can make them from scratch, and I'm going to put a little bit of my vanilla protein powder in it. I'm going to have it with fresh berries and some maple syrup. I just got this from Costco and it makes me very happy. That's the plan for now. I'm actually quite hungry this morning, so I'm very excited about it. I need to go and get ready because I'm going to get my nails done this morning. And I think that getting your nails done counts as a wellness thing because it makes me feel good, right? And then I might go for a walk. I had this plan in my head that I was going to go for like a really nice walk around Greenwich, and I was just going to get my 10K steps in this morning and just really go for it. But on Monday, I played football with my boyfriend. It was his birthday and he wanted to do this like football thing. And I think I've actually pulled my thigh muscle pretty badly because I woke up this morning and it's like rock solid, right? And when I move a certain way, it like seriously hurts. Like that's not fun. And also our hot water is not on, so it's not the best start to the morning. But I'm not letting that dictate the rest of it. So let's get these pancakes going. This is my first time adding protein powder to pancakes and it's completely changed the texture. So just pretend that this is like not happening and they look like super cute, please, because I'm usually quite good at pancakes. I don't really know what's happening, but it's fine. Okay, well that's my skincare routine done for the morning. I'm now going to quickly go and put my clothes on, and I need to leave the house in about 5 minutes. Yeah, I booked my nail appointment quite early this morning so I could just like get up and out. I'm going to go get my nails done now and I'll chat to you when I get home. Hello, I'm back from having my nails done now. I got like a red cat eye on them. I hope you can see them properly. I'm just popping some lunch in for myself, and I picked this up because it was on clearance. It's the Marks and Spencer tandoori chicken ready meal with 38 grams of protein. I'm going to have that. So while my food's on, I'm gonna quickly tidy around my space and throw a YouTube video on because I hate having a bit of a mess and I had to run out of the door quite quickly this morning. So let me do that. Well, I'm back. I've had a busy afternoon and I wanted to sit and chat and talk to you all about what wellness means to me, because there's a lot of things online at the minute about what wellness is, and it isn't all just Pilates and, these big 5 a.m. morning routines. I think wellness is about the little things as much as it is about the big things. It's about making sure that your body is fueled properly by having breakfast, lunch, and dinner, having all of the vitamins and the nutrients that you need. It's about doing little things for yourself, like taking the time to go and get your nails done, taking the time out of your day to go for a nice walk, and really just kind of taking things around you. And those are the things that I really wasn't doing for myself and that have made such a big difference to my life. And it's really helped inspire me to keep going on this wellness journey, because I'm able to see the difference that it's making by just looking after myself and putting myself first. It's really easy for me to not do things because I'm too busy or this or that, and I was just always putting myself on the back burner, and that's not good for me. And of course, it can get really overwhelming to have to do everything, and I would definitely recommend reading the book Atomic Habits and starting your wellness journey bit by bit. I have tried to do this so many times, but I would completely overload myself with everything that I needed to do, and I just got too overwhelmed and it was just too much for me. However, I've kind of found the perfect solution for the problems that I was having. I found myself often having to take quite a lot of vitamins, supplements, everything throughout the day, and I just really got sick of having to take about 15 tablets of all the different supplements that I needed. And I'd done some research online and I was like, surely there's a way that I can get all my vitamins and minerals and everything that I need for the day without having to consume a vast amount of tablets, which were actually giving me quite a bad stomach. And that's when I found AG1. AG1 are actually the partner of this video, but I reached out to them. I emailed them and I was like, hey, I'd love to work together. AG1 is my daily nutrient boost with over 70 high quality ingredients. It contains all of the important elements: vitamins, minerals, bacterial cultures, plant substances, and fiber. It supports digestion, it supports energy, boosts the immune system, which we all need, especially in the winter. AG1 is scientifically proven, and there's been 4 clinical studies and 15 years of research to back up all of the claims that they make about this drink, which is the main reason why I wanted to try it. I follow quite a lot of other creators that have tried this as well, and they absolutely swear by it. So I'm really excited to give it a go and see how it's going to help me. I'm so excited to incorporate this into my routine because it is so much easier than taking all of the tablets. And it also means that I'm drinking more water as well, which I definitely need to be doing. Because I take stimulants for my ADHD, I can't really consume much caffeine either. I think the vitamins in this are really going to help me manage my energy a lot more so that I'm not reliant on caffeine and that I'm staying consistent throughout the day and I don't have a caffeine crash. If you're like me and you want to try AG1, now is your chance. For £59 instead of $79, you can try AG1. And of course, for that price, you also get the shaker and the starter kit too. So I definitely recommend jumping on that. I've tried a lot of green powders before and I really didn't like the taste of any of them, but this genuinely tastes so nice. I gave my boyfriend a glass before and he said that it tastes like squash. He's not feeling very well, so I thought he might need the little boost, and he's so right, it just tastes like juice. I don't know how they've managed to pack so much into this and make it taste so good. All details regarding the health benefits of individual nutrients can be found in the link below. I will of course update you later on my journey. Thank you so much to AG1 for partnering with me on this video. I'm so excited to incorporate this into my life, and I know that it's genuinely going to make it so much easier for me. I feel like I'm going to kick myself that I didn't try it sooner. Now that we have fueled ourselves properly, I had my protein pancakes this morning. I went for a walk, I've had fresh air, everything's good. It's time to kind of start looking at winding down for the day. I really wanted to get across in this video that wellness is about the everyday things that you can do to really look after yourself. And I really hope that that has come across in this video so far. And if it hasn't, I'm just going to keep going. And if you are wondering what I've used on my hair today to curl it, I used this. It's the Clara 6-in-1 like kind of Dyson Airwrap dupe, and it is really good. definitely recommend it. Quickly done my skincare this morning. It wasn't anything kind of rigorous or long or very indulgent. So this evening, because it's a Sunday, I've got a little bit more time to spend on my skincare. So I'm going to finish my work and then I'm going to have a bath and do my skincare. I'm that type of person where I like to have everything kind of done and dusted so that when I sit down, I don't have to get back up and do a million things. So let's go run a bath. Self-care few hours, well, hour that has been. And this face mask needs to sit on my skin for like at least 3 hours. So whilst I do that, I'm gonna get some work done. I used everything that I used on my skin. I'll link in the description below. It'll probably be in my Shopline link or something, or like to know it. Not sure which one yet. And then the oil that I used on my hair is the Kerastase Glaze oil, which is lovely. I've been enjoying it. I find that with my extensions, they can get quite dry quicker than my hair, so I've put quite a lot of product in them to keep them looking good, but like they do look really good. I'm enjoying them. I'll do some work now and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm ready to go to sleep. Hot chocolate now, so it's like 5 o'clock, so I feel like I can justify hot chocolate this time. It's a little while later and I'd like to report that it's time for bed. I am absolutely shattered. I put these PJs on. They're from Primark and they've got like different little prints on them of breakfast stuff, which is pretty cute. All in all, I've had quite a lovely Sunday. It's been nice just chilling out, looking after myself, going for that walk. I've been quite consistent with my sleep lately, which is definitely helping, and I'm hoping I'll be asleep by 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, my light went off. And I hope it shows you that wellness isn't just about being a certain weight or looking a certain way. It's about truly listening to your body, looking after it, and focusing on the things that you need. I hope that you enjoy looking after yourself and you're kind to yourself. That is all. See you later. Bye.